Hello, Earl. Happy birthday. Yeah, I hope you have a blast. Funny how time flies. 3 years ago, your birthday was a blast, and I think we should catch up more. We should get to meet and hang out sometime soon before your next birthday. But for sure, I'll be present on your next birthday. I hope you have a blast and then have a great day. What a good guy you are. I really miss you. So take care and stay cool.
Happy birthday, Earl. God bless.
Wala. Happy birthday, Earl.
Happy birthday, Earl. Malang.
Promotion mo from being a Viscount to Earl. And next, sana ikaw na yung Duke, ha? Pero ang wish ko sa'yo ay hindi ka maging Duke, ha? Yun lang.
Happy birthday, Earl Michael. Ito wala ko yun. Happy birthday kay Earl Michael. More birthdays to come.
Birthday, Sir Earl. Sana umaba ang buhay mo.
Diba? Okay. Happy birthday, Earl Michael.
Happy birthday to Earl. And happy birthday, mabuhay ka hanggat gusto mo.
Hi Earl, happy birthday. Enjoy your day. God bless. Ingat ka palagi. I love you.
Hi Earl, happy birthday. Mag-iingat ka. Itigil mo na yung pag-yoyosi, mga pag-vape mo. Tama na yung droga. Alam namin ito. Meron ka. Be safe. Miss ka na namin lahat. Miss ka na ni Tito and ni Tita.
Happy birthday, Earl!
Happy birthday, Earl. Mag-iingat ka palagi. Maraming salamat sa panlilibre mo sa akin, sa pag-shoulder mo. Mga panahong walang-wala pa ako. Love you, bro.
Happy na birthday mo pa, Earl.
Happy birthday, Earl. Greet daw sa mga malungkot na. Happy birthday, Earl.
1, 2, 3, go. Happy birthday, Earl. Ingat ka palagi. Sana masaya ka.
Uy, Earl. Shout out sa'yo. Happy birthday. Sana naman, bigyan mo naman ako ng spaghetti, ng carbonara,
Happy birthday sa'yo, Earl Michael. Pagbati mula kay Bosset. Shush! Napakaangas. Eh!
2, 3, go. Happy birthday, Earl.
Happy birthday, Earl. Maligayang